আসসালামু আলাইকুম সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, তোমাদের সকলকে ফুলেল শুভেচ্ছা জানিয়ে আজকের অনলাইন ক্লাসে তোমাদেরকে জানাচ্ছি শুভেচ্ছা ও স্বাগত। আশা করছি তোমরা সকলেই ভালো আছো। Welcome to my class, and before launching my presentation I would like to provide all types of praise for the Almighty Allah who has given me a chance to join such like a beautifully decorated occasion. And before launching my presentation, I would like to introduce myself at first. And here I am Mohammad Hussain, lecturer, Department of Accounting, Government Hussain Soid Sorordi College, Magura. And today I'm going to take a session on accounting. And today's topic is tangible and intangible assets and its calculation. And it is discussed on chapter 8. That means it is discussed on second paper and second section, chapter 8, and the specified topic is a depreciation. We know very well depreciation means the periodic allocation of the cost of a long-term tangible asset over its estimate useful service life. And at first we will discuss about a straight line method, and number 2, sum of the year digit method, and number 3, declining balancing method or double declining balancing method, and number 4, unit of production method, and number 5, machine hour method. Dear participant, it will be very easy, understandable, and so nice for you. Just you have to hear and observe very clearly. One time observation will be enough for you to understand all the things at the same time. So let's go to the topic directly. It is a problem for you. Robaba Food Products Limited purchased a machine on January 2001 by Taka 50,000, and its transportation cost was Taka 5,000, and its color cost was Taka 3,000, and setup cost was Taka 2,000. In total 60,000 Taka, and its estimated useful service life was 3 years. At the end of the session, the estimated scrap value or residual value will be 12,000. The organization closed its accounts at 31st December in each year. Now the requirement for you have to calculate depreciation for 3 years by using a straight line method. Now the participant, you have to observe very clearly what will be the formula for calculating depreciation by using a straight line method. Depreciation per year equal to assets acquisition cost minus salvage value or scrap value or residual value divided estimated useful service life. So in this case, I would like to mention about again the acquisition cost of the assets is 50,000 plus 5,000 plus 3,000 plus 2,000. That means equal to 60,000 in total. It is mentionable that every year depreciation under straight line method will show the same figure. To show the same figure. So let's go to solve the respective problem solution. Depreciation under straight line method for 2001 equal to 60,000 is acquisition cost minus 12,000 is scrap value or residual value or salvage value divided total service life. That estimated useful service life is 3 years. So equal to the total depreciation for 2001 will be 16,000. Similarly, in 2000 and 2003, the depreciation will show the same figure. That means in 2002, 60,000 minus 12,000 divided 3 equal to 16,000. In 2003, the figure will show the same. That means 60,000 minus 12,000 divided 3 equal to 16,000. So again, I would like to repeat, under straight line method, depreciation per year will show the same figure. That means in 2001, 2002 and 2003, in each year the depreciation will be the same. That means 60,000, 16,000, 16,000. I hope so you understand very clearly. Okay, now the question for sum of the year digit method. Sum of the year digit method. So we have to read out the problem for calculating sum of the year digit method. Rubaba Food Products Limited 2001 on 1st January started their business and purchased a machine by Taka 60,000 and its estimated useful service life is 3 years. At the end of the service life, the residual value or scrap value will be 12,000. And the organization closed its activities of accounts at the 31st December of each year. And in this case, the requirement is you have to calculate depreciation for 3 years by using sum of the year digit method. So it is time to calculate under sum of the year digit method. Okay. By using this method, we have to determine at first sort. That means weighted year, weighted average year, weighted year. That means sum of the year digit. That means SOYD. And SOYD means n into n plus 1 divided 2. And in this case, if n equal to 3 years, then SOYD equal to n into n plus 1 divided 2, that means 3 into 3 plus 1 divided 2, that means 6. Similarly, in case of the year is 5, then the side we call sum of the year digit will be 15. In case of 10, then S of y equal to will be 55. Dear participant and my dear students who are now in front of myself, you are watching the calculation procedure of depreciation. So under sum of the year digit method, we have to calculate by using this formula. Depreciation per period equal to the years remaining at the beginning of the year. The years remaining at the beginning of the year divided SOYD, sum of the year digit, multiply by assets acquisition cost minus scrap value. So it is very easy for you to calculate. So let's go to the respective years calculation. For depreciation for 2001, the respective amount will be the years remaining at the beginning of the year. Depreciation per period equal to the years remaining at the beginning of the year. That means at the beginning, the 3 years is existing. Okay. Divided by SOYD. SOYD means 6. We have calculated before. 6. Multiply by assets acquisition cost 60,000 minus scrap value or residual value or salvage value 12,000. Scrap value means the last amount of the assets that could be sold instead of the same factors. The last amount of the asset that could be sold instead of the same factors. Okay, so what will be the amount? The amount will be 24,000. So depreciation for 2002 equal to the year remaining at the beginning of the year in 2002, 2 years, right? 3 minus 1, that means 2. So SOYD equal to 6 multiplied by assets acquisition cost minus scrap value equal to 16,000. Okay, now depreciation for 2003 equal to how much year remaining? 3, 2, now 1. The year remaining at the beginning of the year in 2003, 1 divided 6 multiplied by assets acquisition cost minus scrap value equal to 8,000. How much amount? 8,000. It is mentionable that 24,000, 16,000 and 8,000. That means in first year, its amount is big. In second year comparatively low. In third year comparably so low. That means 8, 16 and 24. 24, 16 and 8. Gradually decreasing from first to last under sum of the year digit method. Okay. Dear participant, I hope so. This is very easy for you to understand, and it is exclusively designed by Mohammad Hussain.